Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying lawful permission to locate the device and confirming ownership or consent. Once done, make sure the phone is signed into the owner's Apple ID or Google account and that location services are on. Start the process now by opening the account's device find service or asking the owner to share their live location. This avoids invasive methods. Because carriers and apps require authenticated access, you will use built-in, consented tools rather than third-party covert techniques. Next, you use official channels to get location data. For Apple, use Find My. For Android, use Google's Find My device. Sign into the associated account and check the last reported position. Alternatively, request live location through Messages, WhatsApp, or Google Maps. These require the owner's explicit share. If the device is offline or unregistered, contact the mobile carrier for assistance and explain the lawful reason. They can advise on options and legal processes. Avoid apps that promise covert tracking without consent. Finally, complete the recovery by verifying the found location and arranging retrieval safely. If you cannot reach the device owner, coordinate with local law enforcement rather than confronting strangers. If no location appears, make sure the phone has battery, network connection, and remains signed into the correct account. Try last known location and timeline. If problems persist, change account passwords to protect privacy and preserve logs or screenshots as evidence. This helps authorities if you need to escalate the situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.